Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my new video. I am going to talk about a very important story in this video. So I would like to bring your all attentions on a story, and that is a cap seller and some monkeys. Once upon a time there was a village. In that village there lived a cap seller who used to sell his caps by roaming here and there in the villages. One day he was going somewhere to sell his caps with his bags which was full of caps. While going in the village, he got tired because he was walking on foot. So he thought of taking a rest under a big tree. So he saw here and there, but he couldn't find any kind of tree. So after some time he saw there was a big tree. He went near the tree. He put his bag just beside his head and started taking rest. As he was very tired, so he fell asleep. On the same tree there were some monkeys were sitting. They came down one by one and started looking for something in the bag. When they were looking for something inside the bag, they found there were a lot of caps inside the bag. They took all the caps one by one and returned back to the tree. When the cap seller woke up from his sleep after some time, he was very shocked. He saw here and there, but he couldn't find anyone. He thought, who can take his all caps? He was very worried. He was not understanding what should he do now. So after some time, when he looked up on the tree, he found that there were some monkeys who were capping all his caps. So he thought, what should he do now? How can he get all those caps from these monkeys? So he thought a plan in his mind. He threw his cap which was wearing at that time. He threw his caps deliberately on the ground. All the monkeys were watching him very carefully. They also tried to copy him. They threw all their caps one by one like the cap seller, and it was very easy task for the cap seller. He collected all those caps one by one and kept into the bag and went away from there happily. So we learn a lesson from this story that in our difficult time we should not be panicked, but we should always try to use our mind in compared to having a lot of problems or nothing doing anything.